You're gonna need a lot of help if you want to work efficiently and comfortably, my friends. Most importantly, a healthy neck. Being seated all day is unhealthy, especially in bad posture. And guess what? It's not gonna help with your productivity. Hey, have you done sending? No. What? Why? Great. As if we don't have enough problems. Now, see how this brilliant product changes the way we work. Work differently with X-Kit. Let me show you what you can do. Introducing X-Kit. World's first integrated and foldable ergonomic hub stand. Your efficient and healthy companion for remote working. 5-in-1 USB-C hub integrates all the necessary ports for easier connections. 4 adjustable angles fix your posture, say goodbye to neck, arm, and shoulder fatigue. Aircraft-grade aluminum alloy plus PC ABS base, lighter but harder. And the hollow triangle design offers great heat dissipation to prevent the laptop from overheating. Pretty impressive, huh? And I'm sorry about that interruption earlier. Did you manage to finish?
It's here.
Whoa, that was fast!
And here.
It supports 4K HDMI display with 3D. And thanks to its compact design, you can use it anywhere. Cafe, outdoor meetings, of course, back to the office. Basically, anywhere you go. Got a problem? It's my time now.